Okay, team, still doing multi-step equations. I have this list of steps to help me when I'm not sure how to start. I'm going to follow my list of steps. Step 1 says distributive property. Now, since there is a set of parentheses out here, I know that I have to use the distributive property. And I did this little example here. The distributive property is just when you take the number in front of the parentheses and you multiply it times both of the items inside the parentheses. So like negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So it turns out these are the same thing. So let's apply the distributive property. Split that in half. On the left side, it's still just negative 9. On the right side, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So I'm just multiplying this number in front times both of the items inside the parentheses. And then plus 5x is still there. Okay, good. That was awesome. Now I have to check, are there any like terms to combine? And I can see that on the right side of my equation, there's a variable term there, and there's a variable term there. I need to add those together. So negative 3x plus 5x's. Negative 3x plus 5x is positive 2x. And then minus 6, I can't lose it. It has to stay there. I'm just going to carry it down. Now, I don't see any more like terms, so that now I need to undo any addition and subtraction, and then undo any multiplication or division. So opposite of minus 6 is plus 6. Let's add 6 to both sides. Negative 9 plus 6 is negative 3. And then on the right side, negative 6 and positive 6, that cancels out. It's all gone. I'm just going to carry down 2x. Now the last thing that I need to do is undo this multiplication. Let's divide both sides by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. I get a cancel right here. And I'm left with negative 3/2 as a fraction, or negative 1.5. I might even just come over here and say x is equal to negative 1.5. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do number 5 with you as well. And then 6 and 8 will be yours to try on your own. So my steps, I'm going to go distributive property. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times 1 is 2, but that's a subtraction sign. So I'm going to say minus 2. Plus y equals 14. So I just did the distributive property. Now I need to combine like terms. 2y and 1y, those are both variable terms. I'm going to add those together and call that 3y. Now I just need to get rid of this minus 2. Opposite of minus 2 is plus 2. Got to keep the equation balanced. I'm going to do it to both sides. Oh, and by the way, I should have drawn my line so I can keep track of both sides of my equation. And now we have a cancel out there. I got 3y equals 16. Very interesting. Let's divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3. And I get a cancel here. Cancel, cancel. Y is equal to 16/3, which as a fraction, 16 divided by 3 is 5.3 repeated. So as a decimal, this would be 5.3 repeated, or 5.333. Okay, well, team, have fun with problems I guess those are the evens. Or on your own, please take a picture and submit to Google Classroom when you are done. Thanks for playing.